We were enjoying a nice stretch of good weather, but of course the skies had other plans. So do we stop work? In Australia, that would be the call, health and safety first, right? But this is France. Here it's business as usual, rain or shine. Despite the weather, all the skylights are in, and wow, what a difference. The rooms now are bathed in light, totally transforming the space. The new tiles are being secured to the wooden battens, meaning no more slipping tiles or leaks. Phew. And the best part, with the original tiles laid over the top, the roof keeps its classic look, minus the carpet of moss that was growing up there. Seriously, so much moss. I think the biggest change is in here. It's the studio apartment. The light's amazing.
We've just had these 3 Veluxes installed in the studio area, and have a look how much more the light is in it. It looks amazing, and we haven't even finished yet. So these are the typical hinge type. I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you this one over here. So just taken that one out to so they get access, but this is the typical hinge type. So we'll just sit like that. So you open up. This will be in the bathroom. The other 2 will be in the living area, and they're still accessible. When this floor gets raised up, they'll be accessible by hand. So here we are now in the yoga room, and just showing these two other skylights or Veluxes. They're a larger size, but as Deanne pointed out, see how they look crooked compared to the truss, but in fact, if you're from there externally, they're in parallel with the tiles, so they're all fine from external view. So I'll just show you this type of Velux. It's got two ways to open it. So you've got this one, quick like that. You can open like that, have it like that, or if you don't want it as wide open, just close it up like that, pull on this handle.
Wow.
But just have a look at the amount of light that's in it, just amazing. And Dan, if you turn around, you show the people that one we've got up there.
Hey, just looking at new Veluxes.
Yeah, I'm just doing a flashing gear.
It's fantastic. There's so much more light in the place.
Yeah, and so they open both ways. You can open them up low way
Yeah,
or swift it.
it's fantastic. Great job.
Merci.
This one's yet to go in. A much bigger size. There was this little tiny hole here, and now I've got these lovely big skylights. Great access.
Let's get two rows because you need to put one in the middle. But these are the new ones with the hooks.
Yeah.
Normally they don't have hooks. They're like that,
Yeah.
and after a while they slide, and then the leak appears. There you go. Look, so then that sits there like that, and that one sits over that one. And they've been doing it for God knows how many years.
How do you tell when a tile's gone?
Often if they sing.
So when you
And
tap
some
on them?
are older than some are newer. These are an Anton one. Old. You can normally just hear it, you can feel it.
Yeah.
It's got a dull because it's porous.
And if they've got frostbite, will there be a crack in there or
Normally,
something?
We don't get too much frost here, so. But that's an old one. Because they used to make them on your legs, on their legs.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're square and they make them on the legs. So you used to get ones like that. Like
So the bigger the man,
funny legs.
so they obviously hook on the
Hook on the batten that goes that way, and then
horizontal.
and you leave a clear gully there, and that's nice. And they're like guaranteed like any new tile.
So how did the old tiles stay on the roof?
With broken tile all around them, no feet. They just have one of these like this with little bits of tile all around it.
Yeah. So just gravity just held them there.
Yeah, you just poke a bit there, friction. Exactly that.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks for the explanation.
Not so much, Bob.
No problem. That's it. Are those bees okay?
Yeah, it's nothing. It's a couple of hornets and that's it. There's no movement from the bees.
We honestly couldn't have asked for a better roofing team. Led by the incredibly skilled and experienced Tom, they've been nothing short of amazing. Every day they arrive with smiles, ready to tackle the job with such professionalism. and they're absolute joy to have around the property. It's not just the quality of work that impressed us, but their attitude and dedication. Qu'est-ce que c'est pour la cheminée?
Hein?
Pour la cheminée?
C'est pour faire des couloirs le long du mur.
Luminaire.
Pour raccorder au tuile.
Ah, the Velux. Anton is creating all the metal flashings around the chimney and window openings. This is to prevent any water getting through. It's specialised work and the machine cuts and bends the metal into the exact shape.
J'ai dit 7,5. Faut rendre comme ça en fait. 7,5 c'est ici.
Yeah.